Your Honor, I pride myself as one of the people who voted yes during the referendum of 2010 to bring in this constitution. All of the people voted yes. And looking at this constitution, Your Honor, having elucidated very well by my colleague, Article 259 that you have recorded, there is also Article 50. And it is Article 50, Clause 2, Paragraph A. Every accused person has the right to a fair trial, which includes the right to be presumed innocent until contrary is proved. I've had the submissions of the DPP for the state. It was more of a substantive trial rather than an argument for miscellaneous application. And I want to rely on their case, Abu Drogo Mohammed and another versus Republic that you do have. Your Honor, the circumstance of that case was that one gentleman, Abu Drogo, and another gentleman, Abu Bakr Sharif, had both been charged with the offense of engaging in an organized criminal activity. That was contrary to Section 3.3 as read with Section 4.1 of the Prevention of Organized Crimes Act 2020. Your Honor, they were charged with the offense of engaging in an organized criminal activity contrary to Section 3.3 as read with Section 4.1 of the Prevention of Organized Crimes Act. They were linked with the criminal activities of the then Al-Shabaab, which was outlawed and is still outlawed in this country, Your Honor. But even with those serious charges, Your Honor, the court took notice, or rather upheld the legal presumption of innocence until proven guilty. And in upholding it, they said that they had to interpret the Constitution in a manner as to enhance the rights and freedom granted in the Bill of Rights. And Your Honor, they were granted bail. In this case, Your Honor, Honorable Mosquito has not yet been charged. He is not very sure of the offenses he has committed, and his right to liberty is going to be curtailed. And from the submissions of the DPP, it's like he's already condemned. The second authority that they presented, Your Honor, that I also want to rely on, is Republic versus Taiko Kutende Munya. Your Honor, they talked about the potential interference with witnesses. And they have correctly said that he is a man who is followed by very many people on his social media handles. And some of those people are considered witnesses. Your Honor, in this case, the deceased was a son to the accused person. And the accused person had absconded home for about 2 months. The witnesses who are closely related to the accused said he absconded home for 2 months. The witnesses in this case were closely related to the accused. And that is why there was potential interference with these witnesses. Honorable Mosquito may have many followers who are going to be considered witnesses by the state. But the state has not shown any nexus between Honorable Mosquito and the potential witnesses in his social media handle. Your Honor, now bringing a very relevant authority, the case of Michael Rotich versus Republic, miscellaneous criminal application number 304 of 2016, where the applicant it's miscellaneous criminal application number 304 of 2016, where the state approached the court in a similar manner, of course, arresting, presenting the court within 24 hours, to ask for more time to detain the accused pending investigations. So, Your Honor, in that case at paragraph 16, the court said that the police have no authority in law to arrest and detain any person without sufficient grounds. And Your Honor, it is our humble submission that there is no prima facie evidence that have been presented before you. We asked for the videos, they were not there. We asked for anything, nothing was there. The affidavit had no annexes to warrant the detention of the respondent. So, Your Honor, it is our humble submission that you follow the guidance provided in section 36A of the Criminal Procedure Code in releasing the respondent. The state has all the machinery to investigate anyone, and the respondent is just a mere honorable mosquito.
Your Honor, that is the name they're investigating, mosquito.
Your Honor, kindly